Good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm with Ko Tanaka.
Hi.
And we've just arrived on site and they're already setting up this. Going to be an amazing event. This is our design. We're going to do a piece that's called So Much Aloha, and it's going to be a 9-year-old birthday party for Stella and Reese. This is going to be fun.
Yes.
Stick with us. Check it out. Let's get right to it, Ko.
All right.
This place is beautiful. I'm going to give you the wide angle look, and this party setup is going to be just amazing. I better move my dolly. I love it. I love it, girls. Lisa feels very powerful. I understand. Look at how beautifully easy that works. I love it. Custom candy for Reese and Stella. That is so cool. Girls, you're knocking it out of the ballpark.
Thank you.
Looks like we were pretty well set. We got the logo form put together. We've got our platforms set up. We're actually going to split these two platforms. This is the one that we're going to put the logo sculpture on. And in the distance, we're going to have the kids play over on that one. And it's all part of a symmetrical facade that Lisa's put together. It's going to be beautiful. Can't wait to get this thing going. Stay tuned. All right, we're starting to fill our logo form. This sculpture will be 6 feet above ground, and it's going to be the party theme logo. And they've put such wonderful party graphics together, all the way down to Souvenir Shack with Stella's name on it. Unbelievable. And oversized letters. It's just going to be an amazing experience. All right, our blank slate is ready for us. We're going to create out of this logo form. We're going to create this logo. Should be fun. Somewhere. First, layouts of the So Much Aloha. Nice layout, Ko. As always, you're making it work. You're making it happen. I love the So Much Aloha logo, and you're capturing it wonderfully. It's a shark attack, you guys. What are we gonna do? Isn't that adorable? Oh, it's so cool, you guys. What do you guys think?
We jumped the shark.
We jumped the shark?
Yeah.
I love it. So cool. You guys are swimming in shark-infested waters. I love it.
Dealing with a shark, it's so easy.
Ko, very well said. They got a tougher job than we do today, that's for sure.
The question I have for you is how many of these do you ever want to do? It's a lot of work. It is a lot of work. You know what? What I forgot is how long it needs to go up with each bowl. So balloons blow up really fast.
My goodness, every time I turn around and look, there's more balloons. It's amazing. I don't think I've seen more balloons in one place ever than here. You guys are rocking it. We've got a play along platform set up for the kids, and we're going to teach them some Sandcastle tips during the party. This will be a lot of fun. Stella again. And party like a pineapple. Reminds me of SpongeBob. There's Reese.
Do not tag this party without tagging. Do not post this party without tagging me. If you're going to post this party, by all means have fun posting it, and definitely tag me, my company, Send in the Clowns LA.
Send in the Clowns LA.
Clowns LA.
I love it. Thanks, Lisa. You've been a great party planner. You've done a super job with this. It's amazing. Look at this setup. So beautiful. Send in the Clowns LA. I love it. Stella, Make Waves, Reese. How beautiful is this? It's going to be a blast to go play in that. So I'm walking into the party, and I'm going to go to wide angle here, just so you can take in all the sights and sounds. Yummy, yummy, yummy. The candy cart, I love it. Oh, I love the swim goggles and the hats. So much Aloha. How fun is this? And there's a shark in the pool. So much Aloha. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do with that shark. What do you think of that shark? Isn't that amazing? And here's Ko. He's finishing this up. It looks great, Ko. Nice work. I'd say we're about 30 minutes away from this starting. And there's the house with the big doors open. And then this is the play table. We're going to teach the kids how to play here. Wow, look at the size of that blow-up thing. And that blow-up thing, my goodness. What a party. Stella and Reese, I guess. There's even more back here. Picnic tables and jukeboxes, and all the staff, they're getting their orientation. Whoa. I guess there's gonna be some adults here too. Is that pretty cool?
That's insane.
It's insane. Well, thanks for having us today.
Well, thank you. We appreciate
you guys appreciating us and having us.
This is so cool. The art is just amazing.
Hard to believe that Stella is still standing up there.
Wow.
It looks like it wants to fall.
Wow, it does. Oh, that's insane.
I can't believe the shark. I asked him, when does the whale show up?
Oh, yeah. That's awesome.
I couldn't resist that one.
Oh, Reese.
You know what I like the best, Reese? Is all the candy with the wrappers with your names on it. How fun is that? More balloons. I love it. I think the reaction on everyone's face is better than the action itself. You know what I mean? Like, what? Oh my goodness. Do they need help? Party's starting and the sculpture's almost done. Great work, Co. You're kicking butt. I can't believe how great this party is. This is going to be so much fun to share with everybody. You're doing a great job. You're getting into this. She's pretty good, huh? Yeah. Nice work, Kosan. Nice work. noticed it, but the whole front yard is full of balloon sculptures. How cool. So when the guests arrived, they saw this. How fun is that?
Jump the shark.
We jumped the shark?
I love it.
Let's go! Let's go!
Someone's drunk.
Oh, sweet Jesus! Oh, nice! He landed it! How am I gonna get off this bit?
You gotta get in.
Ride 'em cowboy, huh? What do you guys think? Pretty cool? That's a pretty cool dad.
Take him out.
I don't know how I'm supposed to get off this thing.
Oh, this was next moment. Hey. Ryan, you
How am I supposed to get off? Over here, Sienna! Sienna, I love you!
Daddy, what are you doing? Oh,
Goddamn fish!
Ryan, everybody get Coach Brian! Brian, stay back! Coach Brian!
Oh no, I'm getting wet!
Get him!
My backside is...
Take Brian! Take us, Coach Brian! Yeah, take him!
Wow, what a wonderful party this has been, huh, Co? Incredible. Well, if you like this video, smash the like button. Remember to subscribe, right, Co?
Yep.
Yeah, you got to subscribe or you're square, right? You're not part of the in crowd. Until next time, we'll see you at the beach.
Bye.
Bye.